Common hosting mistakes and solutions. When it comes to creating and maintaining a website, choosing the right hosting provider is crucial for a seamless online experience. However, many individuals and businesses make common hosting mistakes that can hinder the performance and success of their websites. In this article, we will discuss some of these mistakes and provide tips on how to avoid them. One of the most common hosting mistakes is selecting the wrong hosting provider. It is essential to thoroughly research and compare different hosting providers before making a decision. Factors to consider include server reliability, customer support, pricing, and available features. By doing your due diligence, you can ensure that you choose a reputable hosting provider that meets your specific needs. Another common mistake is opting for a hosting plan with limited resources. When selecting a hosting plan, it is important to consider the resource requirements of your website. For example, if you anticipate high traffic or plan to run resource-intensive applications, you may need a hosting plan with ample disk space, bandwidth, and processing power. Ignoring these requirements can result in slow website performance, frequent downtime, and a poor user experience. Neglecting website backups is another hosting mistake that can have devastating consequences. Website backups are essential for protecting your data and ensuring that you can easily recover from any issues or disasters. Many hosting providers offer automatic backup options, but it is important to regularly verify that your backups are working correctly. Additionally, it is wise to keep backup copies of your website files and databases in an off-site location for added security. Security is a critical aspect of hosting that is often overlooked. Failing to prioritize website security can leave your website vulnerable to hacking attempts, malware infections, and data breaches. It is crucial to choose a hosting provider that offers robust security measures such as firewalls, malware scanning, and SSL certificates. Regularly updating your website's software and plugins is also essential for keeping security vulnerabilities at bay. Poor website performance is a common issue that can be caused by various hosting mistakes. Slow loading times and frequent downtime can lead to frustrated visitors and lost revenue. To avoid these issues, it is important to choose a hosting provider with reliable servers and optimized infrastructure. Additionally, regularly monitoring your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help identify any issues and allow you to take corrective measures. Not having a scalable hosting solution can also hinder the growth and success of your website. As your website attracts more traffic and expands, it is important to have a hosting plan that can accommodate increased resource demands. Choosing a hosting provider that offers scalable solutions, such as cloud hosting or virtual private servers, can ensure that your website remains accessible and performs well even during peak traffic periods. In conclusion, avoiding common hosting mistakes is essential for a seamless online experience. By selecting the right hosting provider, choosing a suitable hosting plan, prioritizing backups and security, optimizing website performance, and having a scalable hosting solution, you can ensure that your website is reliable, secure, and capable of handling growth. So, take the time to research and invest in the right hosting options for your website to avoid potential pitfalls and enjoy a successful online presence.